In a further example, as part of the UK government's crypto regulations, the FCA, or Financial Conduct Authority, and the Bank of England have published regulations for a permanent digital sandbox in the UK in order to encourage the adoption of digital asset technology in traditional financial markets in the UK. This provides companies with the opportunity to test under a regulated environment where they wouldn't normally be able to do so for legislative and regulatory reasons. And the aims of this digital sandbox are to encourage innovation in the UK and adopt this new digital asset. So we're talking about distributed ledger and blockchain technology and tokenization that we've seen develop in the cryptocurrency industry. And it also provides the FCA and the Bank of England with time and data about how they will create and adapt regulation and legislation during this test phase moving forward. The Digital Sandbox offers innovative companies access to data, mentorship from industry experts, and access to the fintech community in order to help its testing and scaling. These innovative digital companies will also be able to access funding, partnerships, industry rewards, etc. Companies will be able to apply to the Digital Sandbox through the FCA under any of these financial services categories, including banking, lending, payments, insurance, etc. And you can see here that the FCA has received many applications for its sandbox, with specific mention of distributed ledger technology and blockchain, which have obviously come from crypto, with crypto and DeFi actually specifically mentioned in the list also, as well as many other financial services and data companies. Because this digital sandbox is actually part of a wider FCA innovation hub that consists of a regulatory sandbox, innovation pathways, and the digital sandbox, as you can see here. And the UK government has been looking into this for years now, and isn't unique given that the EU is piloting and testing something similar also. But unlike the EU's pilot, which set quite low limits for companies that didn't attract that many for that result, the UK seems to be keeping its criteria as open and wide as possible, with companies being able to work with them if they're accepted into the Digital Sandbox. So that ends this video on the Digital Sandbox and how the UK government plans to test the adoption on crypto and blockchain technology into the existing financial sector. But as always, I'd love to know what you think in the comments below. And if you're interested in more of a tailored approach to your crypto education, and you think you'd benefit from having someone look over your shoulder and guide you on your journey, I do offer one-to-one coaching to those who have the desire and the means to educate themselves further. And there are links in the description where you can message me and book in a free video call to see if we'd be a good fit. And if you found this content interesting, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help. And have a great day.